Hey everyone, welcome back to the Forex Genesis channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate MT4 on your MacBook. And this also is a good video if you are just on a regular PC, on a Windows or any other kind of PC. So I'll go ahead and get into it. This video is a part 2 of my previous video. I'll go ahead and provide a card at the top so that way you can view that first video if you would like. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to place a trade. So there are multiple ways that you can place a trade on MT4. Basically, you can start with new order, and this will let you place any kind of trade. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and put in your volume, which is your lot size that you would like to use. So I'll just go ahead and change this to 0.2 as my lot size. And then if you want to create a stop loss and take profit, this is where you will enter your prices. So I'll go ahead and leave that blank because I'm actually going to show you different ways on how you can edit your stop loss and take profit once you have already entered the trade. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and buy market. And as you can see, the trade has been placed. So one way that you can edit your order to put your stop loss and your take profit in is if you hover over where the order is, you'll notice that where it says drag to modify. To place your stop loss on a long order, you can click and hold and drag the mouse all the way down to your desired stop loss. So it'll actually tell you on the left over here where your stop loss will be placed and how many pips it will be, or how many points it will be, and also what your stop loss amount will be. And the same thing for the take profit. If you click and hold and drag it above, it'll tell you how many pips, and it will also let you know the amount that your take profit will be. So that's one way that you can place your order. And to exit your order, you can actually hover on the bottom left hand corner. You can click on trade, and here's the current trade that I'm in right now, and then I have the stop loss and take profit. You can actually exit out of that by clicking on this X button to close it. Another way that you can place a trade is by doing one-click trading. What you'll want to do is right-click on the screen, hover over trading. Oh, I'm sorry, not hover over trading, but actually it's right here, one-click trading. So after you right-click, it'll be the fourth option from the top. So you'll click on one-click trading, and what you'll want to do is put your desired lot size in. So I'm going to put the same lot size. And after you put your lot size in, if you want to sell, you go ahead and click on the sell side, and it will tell you the price that you'll be entering at. And if you want to click on the buy side, it will tell you the price that you'll be entering at. And basically, this sell is going to be entering at the bid price, and the buy will be entering at the ask price. So I'm going to go ahead and sell this time, and as you can see, my trade has been initiated. And same thing for take profit and stop loss. If I wanted to go ahead and click and hold and drag, I can do that as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this trade now. And to take off the one-click trading, you'll just right-click again and just click on one-click trading, and that will be taken off your screen. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about some of the other tabs on the bottom. I did not go over a lot of these. The only ones that I think that I went over in the previous video was the trade tab and account history. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can use some of these other tabs or what they're used for. So for the exposure, it'll just let you know how much, first of all, how much money that you have in your account. And if I were to enter a trade, so I'm going to go ahead and enter in a trade. And I'm going to buy this pair. Now you can see how much of my account is being utilized and how much GBP and the volume of that my trade is worth. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that trade. The next thing that I want to talk about are alerts. This is a pretty helpful tool that you can use. So if you hover over alerts, it is actually blank, and that is because you actually have to create an alert. So basically what I'm going to do is, let's say if I wanted to get an alert once the bid price crosses below a certain price. So what I'll do is go ahead and right click, hover over trading, and then go down to alert. And here it'll give you a alert suggestion. It's basically going to be wherever you click, that is going to be the alert that is going to be placed. And you can see that there's an arrow that has been drawn, and that will tell you once the bid price, which is the white line, once that crosses below that price, then you will be alerted. And actually you'll have to edit it to, if you want to have it where the bid price or the ask price crosses below or above. So basically what you'll do is right click on the arrow, click on modify, and here's where you can set all of that up. So if the bid price is less than the price that you desired, then you will get an alert. Now if I wanted to change this to the ask price, if I wanted to be alerted when the ask price crosses below, then I would change that to ask is less than the value. And you can also test it as well to make sure that it works, and it should make a sound. And once you have it set up, you can go ahead and click OK. So whenever that price crosses below, whenever the ask price crosses below this line, then you'll get an alert, and you'll also get a pop-up window that will pop up somewhere on your screen. And as you can see, the alert has been placed here. It'll let you know what symbol, it'll let you know the ask price is less than your desired price, it'll let you know down here. If you wanted to go ahead and delete that alert, you can either right click on the alert in the window and click delete from here, or you can also do it from the chart by right clicking it on the chart and click delete from here. The next thing that I want to talk about is the journal. Anytime you have any activity on your MetaTrader 4, whether you place an order, or you cancel an order, or you exit out of a trade, all of that will be displayed down here, and you can actually scroll down. And as you can see, where that trade that I placed, the 0.12 lot size on the GBP USD, it'll let me know that that order for buy was closed, and then it'll let you know at the price that it closed at. So any type of activity that you have on your MetaTrader will be displayed down here. And as you can see, that this here I think is the where the order was open. That's all that I'm gonna do for this video for now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.